I want to see how I shape this bunch wash out. Added my vegetable oil. So I added my baking powder, salt, sugar, nutmeg. I saved some flour. I'll add in 1 egg. I'm adding in cold milk. My egg was cold. My milk was cold. Even the margarine that I used was cold. So if you want to achieve soft, sweet buns, make sure all your wet wet ingredients are cold. So I'll just give it a mix. All my return is thank you. I really appreciate your love and support. Keep supporting, keep sharing, keep subscribing. May the good Lord bless you all. So now I'll add in my cold margarine and I'll give it a good mix for some seconds. Follow for more amazing videos. If you want health videos, cooking videos, snack videos, family lifestyle, this is the channel for you. Follow me on the post notification so that anytime we upload you will be notified. Feel free to share this video and also give it a good try. So now my oil is heated. I'm doing it on a low heat, so I'll just cut the butter inside the oil until this pan is full of butter. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Give it a huge thumbs up, comment and share. So here it has been cooking for a while. I just gave it a quick stir. So here it's ready. Take it out of the oil, put in a sieve as always and as usual. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. God bless. This is the